Hi, welcome to Physionic, where we learn the body from the macro to the micro. In this content, we will be investigating a study looking at resistance training frequency and how little work we can perform and still maintain muscle size and strength.
Learn Your Body, a science-based education.
This data is provided to us by a study I've examined and will have linked for you, as well as my notes and any amendments that may follow this content's publishing. In this study, the researchers split 33 resistance training naive men into 3 groups. All 3 groups engaged in an 8-week resistance training program at an equal volume. After 8 weeks, one group of 11 participants were instructed to cease all resistance training. Another group was instructed to cut their volume, or total work performed, in half and fit all of that volume into a single session per week. And the third group was instructed to do the same as the other exercising group, but fit the same volume of work into 2 sessions. After another 8 weeks, so 16 weeks in total, all 3 groups were evaluated for muscle size and strength, as well as pre-study and at the 8-week mark, where all 3 groups had been training. Looking at the data on how much volume was performed over the full 16 weeks, the 3 groups did have the same amount of work over the initial 8 weeks. Then the one group, written as CT, dropped off as they stopped exercising. But the other 2 groups, the 1 day a week frequency, labeled RST1, and 2 days a week frequency, which is labeled RST2, both reduced their volume significantly, but still maintained equal volume relative to each other, meaning only the number of times they exercised was different between groups. Now, looking at the results, all 3 groups had the same size and same muscular strength at the beginning of the study, which is encouraging to see, as it means any future differences are caused by the study intervention. After 8 weeks of training, all 3 groups had similar muscle size and strength increases. Again, a necessary evaluation point. Then, the following 8 weeks, wherein one group detrained and the other 2 groups dropped their volume significantly with different frequencies to meet that volume, there was a dramatic loss in muscle in the detraining condition, along with a significant loss in strength. However, both frequencies, once or twice a week, were effective at maintaining muscle size and strength equally. Those are some results most people can get behind, I'd say. In conclusion, this means that resistance training is effective for increasing muscle size and strength. Duh. And stopping resistance training is effective at losing that muscle size and strength. Duh. Yet, reducing total work done in only resistance training once a week is effective at maintaining all muscle size and strength for at least 2 months. So if you choose to lift once or twice a week, neither will be detrimental to muscle maintenance, as both are equally effective. I hope this proved useful and informative, and I hope to have the pleasure of speaking with you in the near future, and thanks for stopping by. Cheers.